Hello friends, and welcome back to AutoFix Zone. In today's video, we'll discuss the causes of coolant boiling inside the expansion tank or radiator. It's normal for coolant temperature to rise during engine operation, and it's also normal for some vapor to be released. However, coolant boiling is not normal at all. Boiling indicates severe engine overheating, which poses a serious risk to the engine. So let's dive straight into the most common causes and practical solutions to this problem. Number 1. Blown cylinder head gasket. A failed or blown cylinder head gasket is one of the most common causes of coolant boiling inside the expansion tank or radiator. When the head gasket fails between the combustion chambers and the coolant passages, combustion pressure leaks directly into the cooling system. This causes a rapid and extreme rise in coolant and engine temperature, often reaching the boiling point very quickly. If you'd like to learn about the other symptoms of a blown head gasket, you'll find a dedicated video linked in the description below. Number 2. Cooling fans not operating. A non-operational cooling fan is another very common cause of coolant boiling, especially after head gasket failure. Cooling fans are responsible for reducing coolant temperature as it flows through the radiator during the heat exchange process. If the fans stop working, coolant temperature will inevitably rise, often to the point of boiling, particularly during slow driving or heavy traffic. If you're wondering why cooling fans stop working, we've covered all possible causes in a separate video linked below. Number 3. Faulty thermostat. The thermostat is the primary temperature regulator of the engine. Its job is to maintain the engine at its ideal operating temperature, typically around 90 degrees Celsius or 194 degrees Fahrenheit. It does this by holding coolant inside the engine block until coolant temperature reaches approximately 84 degrees Celsius or 183 degrees Fahrenheit, at which point the thermostat opens mechanically and allows coolant to flow to the radiator for cooling. If the thermostat becomes stuck in the closed position, engine temperature will rise rapidly and coolant can boil even if the cooling fans are running continuously. By the way, if you're experiencing cooling fans running constantly even when the engine is completely cold, you'll find a full explanation in another video linked below. Number 4. Water pump failure. Water pump failure is one of the most dangerous and deceptive causes of overheating and coolant boiling. The water pump is the heart of the cooling system. When it becomes weak or partially fails, coolant circulation slows down significantly. This poor coolant flow directly leads to excessive engine heat buildup and coolant boiling inside the expansion tank or radiator. We've already covered all the warning signs of water pump failure in a dedicated video linked in the description. Number 5. Faulty expansion tank or radiator cap. The unsung hero of the cooling system is the expansion tank cap, and the same applies to the radiator cap. The cap's role is not only to seal the cooling system and prevent coolant loss, but also to maintain system pressure, which raises the boiling point of the coolant and improves cooling efficiency. It also relieves excess pressure through a spring-loaded pressure valve. If this valve sticks closed, excessive pressure builds up and coolant can boil. If it sticks open, coolant pressure is lost, coolant may escape from the system, and boiling can occur as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our previous videos, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss a new upload. This was AutoFix Zone. See you in the next video.